morning, students. Now we will study the effect of pressure on the change of state of matter. What is the effect of pressure on the change of physical state of matter? In addition to temperature, pressure is another tool which can cause the change in physical state of matter. Actually, the increase in pressure brings the particles of matter closer. As a result, the interparticle spaces become less and intermolecular force or interparticle force or intermolecular force becomes strong. This may lead to change of physical state of matter. It can be illustrated with an example. Take a gas cylinder and apply pressure on it by a piston slowly. At low pressure, the volume of the gas as well as interparticle spaces are very large. At high pressure, the gas gets compressed. As a result, the interparticle spaces become less and interparticle forces become strong. As a result, the gaseous state may change into the liquid state. At very high pressure, the volume may further decrease. The interparticle forces become so strong that the liquid state may change into the solid state. Okay. Now, the scale of measuring pressure. The pressure of a gas can be measured with the help of barometer fitted with mercury. Pressure of a gas is expressed in atmosphere, where 1 atmosphere is equals to 76 centimeter or 760 millimeter. Also, pressure may be measured in terms of pascals, where 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.01 into 10 to the power 5 pascals. Now we will study simultaneous effect of temperature and pressure on physical state of matter. Okay, effect of these two, temperature and pressure, together. We have studied that both temperature and pressure may lead to the change in physical state of matter. Okay, the decrease in temperature brings the particles of matter closer, and same can be done by increasing pressure. Okay, it means that at low temperature and under high pressure, a gas can be liquefied. But temperature is more important as compared to pressure. For every gas, there is a certain temperature above which it cannot be changed into its liquid state, however large may be the force on its surface. This temperature is known as critical temperature of the gas. For carbon dioxide gas, critical temperature is 304.15 Kelvin. Okay, and its corresponding pressure is known as critical pressure. For carbon dioxide gas, critical pressure is 73.9 atmosphere. Okay, it means that above 304.15 Kelvin, carbon dioxide gas cannot be changed into its liquid state, however large pressure may be applied. Our next topic is solid carbon dioxide or dry ice. Carbon dioxide gas can be changed into its solid state at very low temperature and under high pressure. Solid carbon dioxide looks like ice, but it does not weigh paper piece or glass. Therefore, it is also known as dry ice. Okay. On reducing pressure to 1 atmosphere, dry ice directly changes to its gaseous state. It is similar to sublimation process. Thank you.